how to change admin password in Mac. Now currently you can see my screen is locked, and if I enter my 4-digit password for now, you can see I'm able to unlock my MacBook. So if you want to change your admin password or the login password in your Mac, then the steps are really very easy. All you need to do is you need to open system settings in your Mac. You can find that in dock, or else you can go and select Apple logo over here at the top, and then you can select system settings. Now I have previously made videos on this topic, but at that time the OS version was different. Now currently I am showing you on Mac OS Sonoma. So even if you're using Mac OS Ventura, you can follow the same steps. And if you're using any older Mac OS version, the interface might be different, but the process will be same. So once you open system settings, all you can do is you can search for users and group over here, or else you can just scroll down and you can select users and groups. Now once you open that, currently you can see this is my admin user. Now we have to change the password for this. Now for that, you can see there is an I button in front of it, so you can tap on that, and once you select that, you get a pop-up screen like this. Currently you can check out the username, and if you want to change the password, in front of password you do have an option of change. Select that, and now you can enter your old password. You have to enter your new password over here, and then you can verify it once again. If you want to add any password hint, you can do that as well, and then you can select change password. In some cases, when you click on this I option, it might ask you to enter the admin password in order to get this page. So make sure that if you get that screen, you can just enter your current admin password, and then you will be able to access this screen. So let's change the password now. Now as you can see, I have entered my old 4-digit password, and after that the new password I have created of 6 characters, as you can see, and I have entered the password hint over here. So in case if I forgot using this password hint, I will be able to recall my password. So once you do everything, just simply click on change password, and now you can see we have successfully changed the password. Now let me lock the screen for you, and now you can see we are on the lock screen now. Now if I try to enter my old 4-digit password, and if I press enter, you can see it will not accept that password. You can see it is denying. But if I enter my new password, which is of 6 characters, and if I press enter for now you can see I'm able to open or access my MacBook now. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.